Pilates people, welcome back. It is day 15. I'm Terriell and this is your 30-day Pilates journey. During today's workout, we're going to be thinking about relaxing, mainly when it comes to the neck and shoulders, keeping all of that kind of loose, easy, and free while we do the rest of the work in our bodies. So go ahead and make your way to a seated position with your legs long out in front of you. And then we're just going to start by sitting tall and placing the palms right next to your hips on the mat. And now I want you to press the hands down into the mat with all your might to unweight your spine. And just doing this will make your arms longer. Try to make dents in your mat. And if you have a soft flat mat like mine, you actually can make those dents. Now you want to keep pulling your shoulders away from your ears, and you should feel really, really easy here in the head and in the neck as the shoulders reach down even further away from your ears and the spine grows longer. The belly scoops in as you reach up taller, and then go ahead and relax that down. Let's do that again. Press into your hands, lift up tall. Take a big breath in and then just reach down further into the floor with the arms, pulling the shoulders away, growing longer through the crown of your head, maybe pulling your earlobes back an inch or so, pulling your belly in, getting taller, feeling those arms work hard, feeling the abs work hard to keep you upright, and then relax. Let's do one more. Press down to the hands, lift up. Low belly pulls in as you grow tall. Keep the legs working tight here. You want those toes flexed, the legs long. Sit right up on top of your sit bones and lift the belly even higher up into your spine. Press those arms down and then go ahead and relax. From here, we'll bend the knees and bring the hands behind the backs of the thighs, lifting tall through the spine. Go ahead and round your back and take it back. We'll do a little half roll down here, pulling your waist in, stretching out your low back to the mat, and then using those abdominals to deepen the curve, keeping those shoulders down, and lift up. Now, as you round, consciously think about those shoulders just relaxing down. You don't need them for this move. Take it back to your point of control when you feel those abdominals engage. Round deeper, come up, lift tall. One more time, round through the spine. Pull your waist in, relax the shoulders, easy neck. Make sure you have a little bit of space between your chin and your chest. And then we'll let go of the arms and let go of the legs rather with the arms and reach them forward. And I want you to flip your palms up to the ceiling, like you're holding something soft and round, maybe a couple of light fluffy pillows. Relax the shoulders down. And then we'll take the arms up without letting those shoulders fly up to the ceiling. Keep the abs working here. And then send the arms forward. Whew, that's kind of tough. Go ahead and reach the arms up. Just keep thinking about letting the shoulders relax as your abdominals work hard. And send the arms forward. My abs are shaking. Whew, maybe yours are too. Hope so. Reach the arms up to the ceiling. Send the arms forward. And then go ahead and round forward, reaching over. And then stack your spine up tall again. We'll take it down, rounding through the spine. Find your C curve. Relax the shoulders, relax the neck and head. Reach your arms out in front of you. Take it back a couple more inches and hold those fluffy pillows with your fingertips right in front of your shoulders. And then we'll open the arms out to the side. Send the arms forward. Two more of these. Open the arms out to the side. Send the arms forward. One more. Arms open to the side. And they reach forward. Round deeper as you roll up. Diving your head towards your knees. And then stack your spine all the way up. Good. Staying tall here. Let's stretch the legs out long. And now just zip them tight together. Then we're going to take the arms and bend them into the chest. We did this in our tall posture workout back in day somewhere between 3 and 7 maybe. We'll reach the arms straight ahead, lifting tall. And then start to lower the arms down. Slow and controlled. And I want you to feel your arms just move freely, your shoulders move freely onto your back. No crunches or clunks. And then send the arms out and down to the side. Good. Feel your back muscles working here as you reach the arms out. Your back works hard to keep you in your tallest posture. Belly button pulls into the spine. Lift the arms up to the ceiling, reaching those arms as high as you can, and then send them out to the side and down. One more time, arms bend in, reach up and out. Send the arms down. Lift the arms up to the ceiling, and arms open out to the side. Now we'll take the hands next to your hips. I want you to round forward, nose to the knees. Drag those fingertips out along the mat to reach down and past your heels. And now start to roll up, slow and controlled, pulling your waist in, dropping the shoulders down as you lift up tall. Send the arms to the ceiling, keeping your spine long, and then open those arms out and down to the side. We'll do that again. Round forward, nose to the knees. Drag the fingertips out along the mat, sending it out for a nice deep stretch. Roll up through your spine here, articulating through. Shoulders relax down your back as the arms lift and open. We'll do one more. Round forward. Reach out with your fingertips. Stretch a little bit deeper here at the bottom. Start to roll up through your spine. Good. Drop those shoulders. Lift your arms high to the ceiling and then open out and down to the side. Flip onto your stomach next. We're going to take the elbows and press them down into the mat. Go ahead and make fists with your hands and pull them together. This is your single leg kick position, but first we'll do a little neck roll variation. So I want you to punch your fists down into the mat, draw the shoulder blades together, widen the collarbones, pull your waist in and squeeze your seat. And now drop your chin down to your chest. And then pull your abdominals in a little bit deeper. And you'll feel a nice opening in your upper back and in the base of your neck. And then we'll take the head and just circle it around to look over your right shoulder. And then think of drawing a half circle all the way down and around to look over the left shoulder. Look straight ahead. And then drop the chin down. We'll reverse first, going all the way over to the left shoulder. Pulling the belly in tighter. Circle the chin all the way down and around to the right shoulder. Look into center. And then go ahead and reach your arms out. Good. Lowering the head, neck, and shoulders down. Just stretch that out. Let go of the tension in your back. And then go ahead and pull all the way back into that extended position with your forearms underneath you. Now punch the hands down to the floor, a light lift of the elbows. We'll do some single leg kicks here, kicking 1, 2, getting those legs to work. And kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch. Keep lifting that chest, driving it forward. Kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch. 2 more here. And a 2, and a 1, and a 1. Good. And then go ahead and press yourself back into a little stretch onto your heels, rounding your spine. Just sending those arms out really long here. Dropping your head down. Okay, go ahead and spin around. Have a seat. Let's do some rolling like a ball. Now this one is really hard to relax into, so that's why we're doing it. So go ahead and grab onto your ankles. We'll find a balance here on the tailbone. And now instead of lifting those shoulders into the ears, just try to pull them easy down your back and let your arms do the work of pulling your heels to your seat. So those elbows pull backward and down towards your front pockets here. And then let's go for it. Rounding through the spine, rocking back and all the way up to balance. A few more. Rock it back and all the way up. Now check in with those shoulders as you rock back. Keep them down. Keep them down as you rock up. 3 more times. Rock it back. Send it up. 2 more. All the way back. All the way up. Last one. All the way back. All the way up to balance. Now we'll find our open leg rocker position, sending the legs straight out, grabbing to ankles or anywhere on the back of the thigh. depending on your flexibility, and then just separate your legs shoulder width distance. From here, I want you to just lengthen your back, pull your shoulders down, and then we'll test your balance here by looking over to the right, over that right shoulder, looking over to the left, keeping those shoulders down. Look into the center, and then zip your legs together. From here, we'll slide the arms down the legs, keep them lifted, and then put your elbows on the mat. And now press down into your elbows to lift your chest, so no sinking here. Lots of length. We'll circle the legs to the right, down and around and back up. Circle the legs to the left, down and around and back up. Keep pressing those shoulders down. Let's go to the right, down and around and up. And then to the left, down and around and up. Now go ahead and walk those hands back up nice and tall. Send the arms around to balance in your teaser. Hold it there. Pull your knees in, and then rest those legs. From here, take your legs out long onto the mat, and we'll take those arms back behind you and come into a reverse plank. So like we did at the very beginning, press down into the mat, lifting your chest up, driving down as the spine gets long, and then press into your heels and reach those hips up as high as you can. Now make sure you're not sinking the shoulders down, but that you're really pushing away as far down into the mat to lift your chest through your shoulders here. And then just shake your head from side to side. Make sure that neck is relaxed. Pulling in as you hold this balance. 3, 2, 1. Have a seat. Reach over for your toes in a stretch. And then go ahead and roll up. We'll do that one more time. Reach your hands back. I like to squeeze my shoulder blades a little bit before I press down. Now drive the hands down into the mat to lengthen out through your spine. Reach into the heels and lift up. Holding here, pressing down into the floor. 3, hips get higher. 2, 1, send it down with control, and then round forward. Good. And then go ahead and come all the way up to sit tall. Drop those shoulders down your back. Shake your head from side to side. Say yes to stay positive, and you're all set, all done with day 15. We have officially reached the halfway point of the 30-day Pilates journey. Serious accomplishment. If you've been coming along for the ride every single day so far, wow. This is the first time I've done Pilates 15 days in a row, so it's a pretty big deal. All right, I will see you on the mat as we continue with day 16 tomorrow. Bye for now.